Alrighty, we're back with another cocktail for you guys. I'm Bree.
I'm Jordan.
I was looking around trying to figure out what to do. I stumbled across a Kentucky lemonade and I figured that would be perfect for our Navy Strength. That's what we're gonna do.
This is Carolina rum. So this is a Cackalacky Lemonade.
Okay, Cackalacky Lemonade. So,
You can't say Cackalacky Lemonade.
Cackalacky Lemonade.
That works.
Cackalacky Lemonade.
I'll take it.
So, really easy. You're gonna slap that mini in and then throw it into the glass. Yeah, just a couple, 6 to 8. Thank you. So now we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of Navy Strength. It's really strong, it's 110 proof, so you don't need too much. You gotta be careful, but I like it, Jordan loves it. I mean, I love it too. But
It's my favorite.
So we're gonna do 1.5 ounces. That's 1.5 ounces.
You just flip it over and do the whole thing.
Yeah, I realized that as I was pouring it, flowing out.
On fire. Wow, it's 2 ounces, but you know, that's okay. I like
You like it stronger, so.
Not like I've had any other drink today.
So then you're gonna put your ice in their glass.
Okay. Cool.
Wow, that's perfect amount of ice.
Wow, like you planned it.
It's like I planned this or something. Just gonna pour some lemonade in, but leave some room at the top because you are gonna still top it with some ginger ale. There you go. Then your ginger ale. If you can't tell, I really like fizzy drinks because I feel like all of my cocktails
End up busy.
Prosecco, Sprite, club soda, ginger ale, ginger beer. Starry, yeah. Okay, then you're gonna give it a stir.
Oh yeah. I'm on. Getting jumpy, getting ready.
You're just too excited.
Yep. You can start a little fire here. Campfire.
Give her a dink. Cheers.
Dinker.
I like
Cheers.
it. I like it. Let's go. I like this one a lot,
Yeah,
actually.
This is like a springtime killer right here. It's a little cool still outside now. Great, but I can see this one in springtime, just hammering them back on a Sunday.
I would eat some boiled peanuts.
Oh, true. Yes, that's the thing I never got into.
I like boiled peanuts. They're good.
cool.
I can put down the whole bag. You have to get them off the side of the road, though.
Yeah, oh yeah, for sure. While you're at it, you can get a couple pig's feet out of a jar at the gas station. That's pretty Carolina.
Liver mush.
Oh, dude. Liver mush is the jam.
I've never had it.
A liver mush sandwich. That's good morning for breakfast or brunch. Oh, God, so good. Side of cheese grits.
Grits are yummy, but yeah, good southern drink, the Cackalacky Lemonade. Give it a good try. But to get the Navy Strength Rum for this cocktail, you've got to stop in and see us.
Yep.
Come see our beautiful faces at the distillery and buy some rum and have a drink with us. If you're there on a Saturday, we'll give you some tastings, or even during the week, you can get a tasting.
Yeah, Saturday tours.
But yeah, like, subscribe, check out the recipe in the description below.
Yep, ring the bell.
Ring the bell. Cheers.
Another? Cool.
Oh yeah.